In this video, we will go through the installation and configuration of the MainWP Browser Extension. The extension is available for all Chromium-based browsers and Firefox. We will cover the installation in Chrome. However, installation in all other browsers is very similar, and the actual configuration of the extension is identical across all browsers. Direct links to the extension are below in the written help document, but you can also search for the extension. Click the Add to Chrome button, then Add Extension. The extension is now installed. Optionally, if you wish to see the extension icon and its badge count of available updates at all times, click the extensions icon and then pin the MainWP extension. Now let's continue toward extension configuration. First, we have to create a REST API key on the MainWP Dashboard. Navigate to the REST API page, and then click the Add API Keys button. Enter the desired description. For example, let's use for browser extension. Don't save the key yet. The first piece of information we need for the configuration is the dashboard URL. So let's copy and paste it. Next up are the consumer key and consumer secret. Click the Copy to Clipboard button next to consumer key and paste it into the extension. And repeat for consumer secret. At this point, we need to save the key in our dashboard for the API key to become active and usable in the extension. Now we can return to the extension, mark the checkbox to verify that we've saved the key, and continue with configuration. Select the frequency with which the extension will fetch new information from the dashboard. And then select which data you want the extension to sync. Finally, click the Save Settings button and wait a couple of seconds for the extension to perform the initial sync. Each time the extension synchronizes, according to the set schedule, or when you manually sync it, you will receive a push notification from your browser.